And Jesus is alive.
Bibu. Yabachi.
What happened?
Bamuloga amaze emyaka nga 10 nga muloge.
Mumuyimirize.
Aimaru.
Mumuyimirize.
Aimaru do. Hai. Aimaru. Kachungi malenge.
Edogo liri muvamu.
Witchcraft is going out of her.
Habari.
Oh.
Duno lubuto
Musumba lubuto.
Yeah, just stretch it up. The cloth, move it up.
Shy.
Oh.
Buli muntu omupya mu kifo kino.
Every new person in this place.
Jango tukire ddala olabeko.
Come and have a look.
Omanyi bino bye tukola.
You know this is what we do.
Ate ne batuyita abalogo.
Then they say we are witch.
Kasi watu akaaba amaziga.
She's even crying. She's in tears. She's in pain.
Toyinza kubeera mu mbeera bweti n'osuubirayo obulamu.
You cannot be in such a situation and then you expect life.
Laba muteekako empeta eno.
Look, I placed the ring of the Lord.
Within 12 days.
Munaku 12.
Njagala akomewo wano.
I want her to be here.
Ng'olubuto luno lubuze.
When this belly has disappeared.
Mu linnya lya Yesu Kristo Omunnazaaleesi.
Jesus Christ the Nazarene.
Siku 12.
12 days.
Minda parario etie mabere mandanda. Edwoku watie mabere.
That is a witchcraft.
Eryo dogo.
Lyali dogo.
It was witchcraft.
Naye Mukama kabizeeyo.
But let God take it back to where it came from.
Omuntu eyakola ekintu kino omukazi ono.
That person who did this to this lady.
Naye njagala kimutuukeko.
I want it to happen to them.
Alifa takyerabidde.
They will never forget it.
Ana ayarua. Adaro peko para eni ora par. Kinde mawinji bi pastor ena wasa be binu ko kroka neno kuanga. Masendi mana kanindo ngo kinde ma ewishe ngabish kaka indie. Anindo mana shamu de. Avutu. Endo masendi para tie masendi mi ora par. Kinde mawinji bi pastor ena wasa kabia neno kuanga. Endo gin mamungu timu irami aishe ngabish birtin. Abe nendo.
Agambye azokwebaza Mukama Katonda. Yajja wano ku Lwokutaano nga tasobola kutambula nga tasobola kulya nga n'abeewaabwe bamaze omujja mu mikono nti agenda kufa naye kati amaze okulaba nti tajja kufa ekyokubiri alya